Hi everyone and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. Today I'm going to show you how I create these sweet and delicious peach cobbler egg rolls. Stay tuned. For this recipe I will be using the pie filling peach topping. I will go ahead and pour out 2 cans in a bowl. Next, I will be adding in some vanilla extract as well as a pinch of honey. Now we're going to add some cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Give that a quick mix. So next I'm going to stir in some brown sugar. I will be sprinkling a little bit of flour. So I am using the vegan egg roll wraps. I'm going to add some filling and a little bit of egg wash on the outsides, and we're going to start rolling them up. Now be very careful. You have to have patience with this recipe because the filling is it's pretty thick, but it's still, able to move around just like as you can see. So I double it. I will be using another egg roll wrap. Some people don't want to, but I prefer this so nothing falls out. You can freeze them for about 20 to 30 minutes. So next I'm just going to continue to roll them. Now I'm going to continue to roll the remaining of my egg rolls. So like I said earlier, I will be freezing them for about 20 to 30 minutes. My oil is preheated on a medium-high heat, about 350. I will be frying them 3 at a time. You want to give them a little space to make sure they come out really crispy. Just take them out to your liking. I like mine really golden brown and crispy, like so. So I only had mine in for about 4 minutes. So I already have a no-bake cheesecake mix. I'm adding in a little bit of buttercream to loosen it up some to create a cheesecake mix. I will have this recipe listed down below as well. On a plate, I'm sprinkling on some granulated sugar as well as some cinnamon. We're going to quickly mix that up. That's going to be our coating for the outside of the egg roll. So it's like a churro. So roll that in there, pat it in. Also, a key is to just put some of that cinnamon sugar on your hands and sprinkle it on there and pat it on. Okay, so now we're going to cut them. It's okay if some pops out. You can eat it. Hey, that's your chance to eat it or whatever. But or you can just put it back in the egg roll. So I'm just going to cut that open, and then yeah, that's it, y'all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you decide to recreate this recipe, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chaz's Cuisines Story.